morning. Good morning. Is everyone excited to be here? My name is Christina Ayanian from the listings team here at Nasdaq, and it is my great pleasure to welcome Pinnacle Food Group's chairwoman, Miss Lee Shah-Du, to Nasdaq's market site. We are so thrilled to have you all here to celebrate a significant milestone for Pinnacle Food Group, who began trading on Nasdaq Capital Markets this week under the ticker symbol PFAI. I would also like to extend a warm welcome to members of the Pinnacle Food Group's management team, board of directors, and employees. We're so excited to have you all joining us right here at the crossroads of the world in Times Square, New York, as we get set to ring today's opening bell. Founded with a vision to revolutionize urban agriculture, Pinnacle Food Group has been at the forefront of developing innovative hydroponic growing systems. Their commitment to sustainability and cutting-edge technology has enabled them to provide efficient and eco-friendly solutions for both individual households and community groups. Over the years, Pinnacle Food Group has expanded its offering to include a wide range of products and services, from advanced hydroponic systems to comprehensive agricultural data intelligence and technical support. Their dedication to excellence and innovation has positioned them as a leader in the urban farming industry. Today, as they take this significant step onto the public markets, we celebrate their achievements and look forward to their continued growth and success. It is an honor to welcome Pinnacle Food Group to the Nasdaq family. Congratulations, everyone. And now please join me in welcoming Chairwoman of Pinnacle Food Group, Ms. Lee Shah-Du, to the podium for further remarks.
Hi, everyone. Thank you. Dear distinguished guests, investors, team members, and global partners, today, as we ring the bell at Nasdaq, our hearts are filled with gratitude and purpose. Pinnacle Food Group was born from a vision to ensure sustainable food security for humanity. Guided by values of people first and technology forward, we are building a more efficient global agricultural food system through innovation. This listing marks the start of a new journey. With technology as our wings, we will connect fields to tables, delivering a safe, sustainable food future for all. Thank you to everyone who support us. The bell rings for our shared dream. Thank you everyone.